What's up, everybody? So we're back, and today is a little car review of my Mustang GT. Deborah over here, she's a little cold, you know. It's a little cold where we're at right now, so trying to stay warm, do something to keep occupied. We're not working on the house now. Just need a little break, a little breather. It got a little overwhelming, so just need a little break. But here's the car, and here's the car review. So this is a 2002 Ford Mustang GT. It's a little dirty right now. It's not in top shape right now. It's been sitting in the garage pretty much all winter. So I got a little detailing to do. I wiped it off, but still needs some work. It's not bad looking. So if you look at my tires, I got these are 315s. That's pretty wide. 315s. When I first had them put on, I didn't think they would be able to fit, but it did. These are 17-inch wheels. I want to do 18s. I don't like that wheel gap. That wheel gap isn't it's not appealing to me like it used to be. 18s will kind of fill it in. I could lower it. Long tube headers will definitely scrape. They already almost scrape now. I barely can make it over speed bumps. So if you look at the interior, that's a clean interior for 2002, I must say. Not too bad. But you see all the gauges. The gauges are functional. I didn't put it on. I bought it with the gauges already on there. But for 2020, I think it should all be digital now. Eventually, I plan on removing all those gauges, but they're actually functional. Got a tachometer, got the air-fuel ratio, the fuel and the water temperature. Like I said, this car only has this low mileage. I think it's what, 58,000 miles on it. It's a 2002, so that's not bad. So if you know much about these Mustangs, these are 2-valve Mustangs. These are not the most popular Mustangs, but it gets the job done. It is a Mustang. It's not the most powerful, but it's still reliable. So it's modded. It has cams, long tube headers. It has underdrive pulleys. As you can see here, it has a different intake, different, pretty much everything. All the bolt-ons you could think of has been done to the car. It's still quick. It has pickup. It has 373 gears on it. Like I said, long tube headers, full exhaust also. It's nice. I gotta do a startup for you. You gotta hear it. It sounds good. It's a good sounding car. So the purpose of this video is not for me to brag and boast about the car, but just for you to see what hard work does. It'll pay off. So a lot of people don't know, but I actually went to school for fixing cars, as far as like painting and auto collision and chassis fabrication. And so when I got out, I didn't have a car, but this wasn't my first Mustang. I had 2 other ones besides this one, but this one, when I bought it, it was in rough shape. And paint was all messed up, scratches, flaking, but it paid off. So shout out to Dan who helped me paint it. Actually, he painted it. I did all the body work, but he did a good job spraying it too. But like I said, hard work, it'll pay off. You could do it too. So this is just the results of hard work. So like I said, so we're not just the home remodeling couple, so we also enjoy cars also. This is just the start of the car content. Just a little quick preview. Deborah here, she doesn't know how to drive it, so this is a stick. It's a 5-speed, so
maybe one day he'll teach me how to drive a stick.
She'll learn, and you'll see it too.
I don't know if y'all want to see that, but okay.
She'll learn, as long as she don't burn on my clutch. But she'll see. She'll see how it is. But thank you for watching our video, and please like and subscribe. Also, hit the notification, the little bell. Hit the little bell.
Mm-hmm.
And also, if you have any ideas of what we should do, any car content, house content,
drop
anything,
some comments.
Yep, let us know
what you would like to see, and we'll be willing and have fun with it and do it so we can show you guys.
And that's it.
All right, and we're out.
We're out.
Deuces.